Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khushbu, and if you're new here then please don't forget to subscribe. So in my today's video I'm gonna create this look right here. It's a very easy look and one of the most requested videos on my channel to do like a everyday makeup. So this is like my everyday makeup look, my regular makeup look. You can do this look if you're going to office, if you're going to college, like anywhere. It's a very easy look. And I have used like a mix of products. Some are high-end, some are drugstore. But if you're looking for some affordable drugstore makeup products, then that will be a whole another video which I'm coming up with very soon. So that will be like a beginner's makeup kit, and I'm going to be including all the drugstore and affordable makeup products in that. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So to begin with, I'm using this Professional primer by Benefit, and it's one of my favorite primers. As I am doing like a everyday makeup look, I want my makeup to last for like all day, and it's a very good primer. And before using this primer, I have already like prepped my skin, moisturizer वगैरह मैंने लगा लिया है. Now moving on to my concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind eraser, and it's one of my favorite concealers. And if you have been following me for a long time and आपने मेरी makeup videos देखी है, तो you know how much I love this concealer. It's one of my go-to concealers. So I use this concealer to hide my acne and dark circles. Then moving on to foundation, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte foundation, and I'm using this foundation because I need like extra coverage. My skin is not doing too well. Normal days में जब मैं everyday makeup करती हूँ, I do not use foundation, but अब मेरी skin like I need little extra coverage, इसलिए I'm using this foundation. Otherwise मेरा काम सिर्फ concealer में हो जाता है. Now I'm using my regular blending brush by PAC, and I'm gonna blend it all together. I'll mention all the products along with the prices and shade name onto the screen. Now moving on to another concealer. This is the PAC Spotlight concealer, and it's a shade lighter, 1 or 2 shade lighter to my skin tone, and I use this because like to highlight my high points which I want to, like under my eyes and forehead, nose and chin. Basically the areas whichever you want to highlight. So I use this concealer to highlight, and then I'm just blending. Blending is the key to flawless makeup, whether it may be your eyes or your base. Just like blend it properly, and yeah. Now moving on to loose powder, I'm using this loose powder by K Beauty. It's their like HD loose powder, I guess, and I'm just gonna use a little bit to set my concealer, and I'll just like go over all over my face with the same brush thoda sa, and I'm extra applying like a little extra powder onto my eyes to set them and create like a good base for like a eyeshadow. Now moving on to blush, I am using this palette by Milani. It's a very good palette. It has some natural coral and mauve shades, and it gives like a very natural effect, like flushy effect, I would say. So it looks very good, and I am also applying it on my nose and chin, like वो पूरा अच्छे से दिखना चाहिए, like you know, like when you glow naturally, you look pink naturally. So I like that look in my everyday makeup. Now moving on to my eyes, I'm using like the same blush with a blending brush. I'm not gonna do like a eyeshadow proper. I'm just using the same blush onto my eyes, like all over my lid, so it looks very like good. And whichever blush you are applying, just take the same blush and go all over your eye. It will give you like a really pretty look. You will see the difference between my eyes, how pretty it looks. It looks कि हाँ हमने कुछ effort लिया है, but it's also very like effortless. ऐसे लगता है कि हाँ कुछ किया हुआ है. So I really like that, and it's very like easy, so simple step. Now moving on to kajal. I'm using this kajal by K Beauty again, and I'm just going over like my upper lash line and also like my lower lash line with the same kajal. Now I'll just curl my lashes and apply a good mascara. I am using this mascara by Flower Beauty. It's their Lash Warrior mascara and it's a very good mascara. It gives you like lift and length and volume. It really gives like a really good volume and also separates my lashes, which I like the most. And it's very inexpensive and it's good for everyday use. I really like this mascara. And then moving on to bronzer, I am using this bronzer by Sugar and I'm not gonna do like contour क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा like sharp नहीं करना है मुझे अपने face को. I'm just giving like little bit of warmth to my face. I'm just going lightly all over like my cheeks and forehead and also my jawline. So I don't want like a chiseled sharp look, but I want like a natural what do you say, like warm look. So I'm using it all over like my forehead and cheeks and jawline, so it gives like a very good look. Now moving on to my favorite part, which is highlight. I am using this like highlight palette from Revolution and I cannot find this online anywhere. I guess they have discontinued this product and it's such a good product, but there are many more like highlighters available, good highlighters available in the market. So yeah, I just have this one and I really like this one, and I'm just gonna highlight. Now I'm just gonna dip my pinky finger in the same highlighter and do my inner corners. It looks very pretty and completes your look. And now moving on to lipstick, I'm using this lipstick from Girl Lactic, and I don't think you will find this anywhere in India. Like it's not available in India, but you can find them on some Instagram pages which sell international makeup. It's a very good shade. It's very like natural coral and nude shade, like good for everyday use. And now I'll just comb and brush my brows, so जो भी कुछ foundation या powder वगैरह रहेगा वो निकल जाएगा. And completing my look with setting spray so that it lasts longer, and it's a very good setting spray by PAC. So this is the finished look, very natural, very pretty, and yet very effortless. So this is how I like to do my everyday makeup look, and I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you found this video easy. And if you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.